Well, hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video at Morehead Homestead. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Well, we'd like to wish everyone a very happy Thanksgiving. This is the day before here. This video will be out probably on Thanksgiving or the day after. What you got, buddy?
I'm picking the garden.
You picking up the garden?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. We're just out doing a little cleaning today. It's a kind of
Mama, this is Mama. The garden.
Oh, okay. So we're just out here doing a little cleaning this morning. It's a pretty chilly start to the morning, but got a few things we need to get done. We got some, actually, I think we got some cold weather coming in this weekend, don't we?
Yeah, I think it's like a wintry mix.
So Sunday they're calling for like a wintry mix Sunday morning. So Huddy's digging up some little mole hills here. It looks like busy work. We're getting all of these tomato cages out of the raised beds here. But while she's doing this, as soon as Hunter gets back out here, we're gonna go put some shavings into the goat shelter and probably another one in the chicken pen, and then we'll come back and check on her over here. What, buddy?
I'm picking the garden.
Oh yeah, so some of you guys on Facebook may so real quick before we do, that's probably why some of you guys clicked on this video. Some of you guys may have noticed when I showed Huddy a while ago, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you what Lindy did to him one day when I was not around. We seek some counseling over this. Just kidding.
Marital counseling.
Just kidding. But no, it's this was a big deal. Huddy, come here. Come here, buddy. Come here. Let's show everyone. Come here. Come here. All right, ready? Ready? Yeah. Come right here. Ready? See, Huddy? Where did his hair go?
Tell him you got a haircut.
Tell him you got a haircut? Say, I got a haircut. So, Lindy took him while I was at a basketball game, and hey, Hallie, will you put that back on his head?
Hey, Huddy.
And cut his hair off. It was
Emotional.
he looks a lot different. Like the first, he's starting to look. This was about a week ago, I guess. He's starting to look more normal to me now. But
Yeah.
the first day, I was like, "Who is this kid?" It was definitely a shock. You know, it was over 2 years before he had his first haircut. So it was long, it was curly, and now it's gone.
How are you having trouble? Nope. Not much.
Not much.
Made it about halfway. Get me! How does Daddy do that? Oh, I did it! I don't think he had it on when he came in. Woo!
Can I help Daddy? We're gonna put it in here, okay? Right? And go spread it out. Come on, let's go spread it out. Ready? Come on.
Move us. Milkshake.
He's fine. Ready? Spread it out. Woo! Fall down.
Woo, hi, doing so good. Dump it. What's this?
All right, you gonna lay down in there? Watch your head. Watch your head. You'll bonk it.
How do you like it?
All right, everybody out. Mama's gonna say, no, no. Come here. Come here. Come here. Let me get them all off you. Turn around. There we go. No, no. Huddy. No, bro. Come here. Stay out of there. No, hey. Don't you jump in there. Huddy, you got that crazy look in your eye. Come here. Come on. Hudson. Come here. No more. No more.
Bubba got your hat. And that.
You want these on? Look at me. There we go.
Hi, Lucas.
You ready to go check on Mama?
No.
Yeah, come on, let's go check on Mama. I'll race you. You want to race? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Come on. I'm going to beat you. Whoa. There's quite a bit of limbs down there. We're going to got a good burn pile here, a good burn pile. We got about 4 good burn piles that we need to get lit up pretty soon. How's it coming?
It's really hard to get out of these cages.
You guys look like a bunch of city kids.
Chains and glasses.
Is this a homestead channel, like an urban channel? What is this?
You got these for my birthday. The sun's shining. And that for her birthday.
You got a breath?
On the way back, so I have quicker feet. So on the stride. He doesn't stride, but I stride. So I did this, like Honey does, and then he strided like me. And running. So I was running like this. And then about halfway, she said, "I look like a chicken." I do.
Bunch of weirdos. Huddy, where'd your hair go?
I don't know.
You don't know? Mama take it off? Sorry about her hoodie, guys. It's laundry day. That's all she could find is that hideous OU hoodie. I apologize. Well, we got a little fire going now. Trying to burn a little bit of this down. It's all pretty wet. We've been getting a lot of rain lately. But I think it might catch down there. Well, we got this going. I'm going to tidy up a few more things, and then I'm going to head to the refuge to do some hunting. Won't bring you guys along for that. Got a lot to pack in. I don't really need any extra weight. So we'll catch you guys later on in this video. All right, guys, well, it is a cold day. It's actually Sunday, several days after Thanksgiving. Sorry I'm getting this video out late. Just got in from church and Hallie grabbed her bow. She's out here doing some target practicing for archery when it starts back up. So yeah, I'm out here. She wanted me to come watch her, so I'm out here just watching her, and might video a little bit, never know. And then we're gonna go check on the animals today and make sure everything's good out there, and then we'll wrap this video up. All right, sis, let's see what you got. No pressure. No pressure.
No, I don't like it when you say that.
Oh. You got this.
I always have to aim differently.
Make an adjustment. Boom. Now make another adjustment. Boom. Now split those two and hit that bullseye. Boom! Get you another one. Boom! Hey, high five. Good job. Go pull your arrows.
Oh, there it is.
So while she's doing a little bit more practicing, I'm going to run over here real quick. Check on the animals. Let's go check on the quill real quick. We put a heat lamp Lindy put a heat lamp for them yesterday. It's starting to get cold around here in Oklahoma. They're doing good, but I do have one more thing of wood chips that I want to put in here that I forgot about. So I'm going to do that, but first let's run over there because the wood chips are just in the shop. So I'm going to run over here and then we'll come back over here and we'll finish out the video over here. So we love having these big mature trees here, but it comes with a price. All those are full of leaves. So hopefully you guys had a great Thanksgiving. We had a couple of different meals. We had one with my side and one with Lindy's side, and yeah, it was a good time. I spent most of the day yesterday and the day before actually, which you guys will see in your video, but easy, Thorsky. I spent most of the weekend out at Dutch's helping him. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Huh? What's... Thor, you okay? He's acting really weird. Thorsky, you okay? You okay? Just like overly excited, maybe? Maybe? I think so. That's weird. I think he's just overly excited though. He doesn't seem like he's hurting. That's weird. I think he just really wants some loving today. Honey, Thorsky, you just want some loving? Hey, quit eating my stand. What's wrong? Oh yeah, he just wants some loving. Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Oh yeah? Goodness, never seen it like this. Oh. This is weird. Oh, get him, Thor. Get him, Thor. Come on, Thor. Thor. Come on. This lays against me. So that's weird. Really weird. Hey, see if you can do another one. See if you can get 3 in a row right there. Can she do it? Everybody say go sis in the comments. Ooh, close. You hit the other arrow. Nice. All right, while she's practicing, I'm gonna go grab these shavings and put them out real quick. So as soon as I said that they've never flown out, hers flew out.
Mine.
And Panther was right over there, jumped up in the air, almost swiped it down and grabbed it by the head. Luckily he stopped and we were able chased it all the way around the yard and caught it right up here. So we're gonna get it back in, and I'm gonna be a little bit more careful this time.
Yeah.
Hold on. Let's put that down there. Toss it down there. Stay down there. All right, hold this right here. Got it?
Yeah. Oh.
Open it. I gotta be able to get in there. All right. Luckily, I had my hat. I was able to catch it. All right. I'm gonna do it through this hole now. Alright guys, well thanks so much for watching this video. If you guys have not subscribed to our channel at More at Homestead, what do they need to do?
Like and subscribe.
And?
Ring that notification
Like, subscribe, ring that notification bell. Thank you guys so much for joining us on today's video. Happy Thanksgiving, Merry Christmas, and God bless.